You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. The most common pronunciation and how it's said in different languages. It's a name, well, originally from French, but with French it's spelled with a Y instead of the I at the beginning, but that doesn't really change the pronunciation. This exists in Catalan, in German, in Spanish, and all of those languages essentially pronounce it as Ivette, Ivette. Now in English it's either pronounced also Ivette or Ivette. It's up to you. How do you pronounce it yourself? Ivette or Ivette? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.